How to fix Apple ID has not yet been used in the iTunes store. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're getting the message this Apple ID has not yet been used in the iTunes stores, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to fix it in a few minutes. So let's get started. This message usually pops up when you have created a new Apple ID, but not have yet completed the initial setup in the App Store or iTunes. Apple needs you to review some terms or payment details before you can download apps or certain features. So for this, first of all open your App Store and go to the profile icon. Once you tap on your profile icon, sign in with your Apple ID and password. You will be prompted to review the Apple's terms and conditions. Make sure to read through and accept them and hit the agree button. Sometimes Apple may also ask you to provide or verify your billing information. Even if you don't plan to buy anything, you need to complete this step. You can choose none as the payment method if available. And that's it. Once you have accepted the terms and reviewed your account info, you are good to go. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.